I'm here at the design show in Irving, Texas, and I bet you guys wonder, what is a conversation that typically happens in a booth with suppliers and engineers and buyers? Let's go find out what that's all about. So Tom, I was walking the show floor here in Texas and I see this awesome video display, incredible parts, large things that are being manufactured. Large, what do we call it? Are these, Daniel, what the heck are these things?
We have enclosures, e-houses, buildings, small parts.
You got more robots in this video than I've seen all week.
Yes, sir.
So you do stuff very quickly at Ameritex?
Absolutely. We do laser cutting, brake press, bending, assembly, welding, powder coating, wet painting, you name it, we'll make it happen.
So Tom, I'm walking by this booth and I realize everything 3D, plastic to metal, hardware, everything, the machines, and talk to me about what's your first name?
Kyle Norman.
Kyle Norman is your first name. What's your last name?
My first name's Kyle, last name's Norman.
Hi, Kyle. Tell me about what you got here, right here. What is this?
So this is a Formlabs Fuse 1 SLS printer. This is the only way in 3D printing you're going to get to injection mold quality parts. The first machine you see is a Metal X. So this is a Mark Forged metal printer. So we're printing in 17-4 stainless. We're printing in tool steels A2, D2, Inconel 625, pure copper. So what we see is guys supplementing that injection mold process, right? So the reality is it takes quite a bit of time to get your injection mold tooling across the pond, right?
And a lot of money.
So yeah, so how do I supplement that? I can build thousands of parts in this machine a day. In 3D printing, what we're always shooting for is same day iterations and multiple iterations per day when it comes to that design cycle.
Geez, I hope I make my flight. Tom, one thing, we don't see this very often, but sometimes a job shop, a contract manufacturer, actually has a product line. Gemstar has a product line. This is one of them. This is a carry-on, but they protect lots of things. This is Chris. Hi, Chris. I'm Rob.
Pleasure to meet you, Rob.
Tell me about Gemstar's product line, what you guys do, but it's a product line you sell too, right?
Well, yes, we manufacture cases, protective cases. We make OEM special products over here.
Your own product line that you manufacture in Minnesota and sell is a rarity for a job, so we find it interesting. Some people have great technology and they're just waiting for the order to come in. You guys can actually make and sell your own
We make
things.
and we sell through distribution.
Yep.
And we sell to large OEM customers.
Awesome. Now, is it okay if I steal this one and bring it home? Yeah, see ya.
Sure.
Gotta go on a plane, got a flight.
All righty, sounds good.
Hey Tom, you know how much I love screw machining? Well, here we are with Tony at RF Mao.
Hi, Rob.
You've got some really cool parts, but what is your specialty?
So our specialty is making parts, solutions out of brass, lead-free brass, aluminum, anything that's non-ferrous, copper. It can be much trickier to do than steel, but in the end, we get some nice parts.